Okay, guys, what I have here is my apprentice's lawnmower. So I have an apprentice now. I sent him on some lawnmowing jobs because I had to do another job. And he calls me. He's like, "Hey, if you near? Are you nearby?" I was like, "Nah, I'm not." He's like, "Man, my lawnmower won't start." I was like, "What?" Right? He's like, "Keyword. Oh yeah, it's been sitting in the backyard for a while." So I was like, "Okay, I think I know what's wrong with it." I was like, "But go to my house, pick up my lawnmower, and I'll work on yours." So we're gonna see what it sounds like. So put this guy up here. All right, nothing. Got some starting fluid. Let's see how this sounds. All right. So he's heard it start for a little bit, and I'm pretty sure I know what the problem is. It's 90% of the time, what happens is that when you don't use it for a long time, I think it's the carburetor that's in here gets clogged, and you have to clean it out. So we're going to take this part off first. We're gonna pinch this line right here, which is a gas line, so it won't drip out, because he filled this up to the top. Take this off, and I'll do step by step. So we got a 9/32. Whoops. Let's see, which is for the silver ones right here. All right, so now that I got all the screws out, this pops out right here. Clean that off a little bit. So now we're gonna pinch this line, and then we're gonna move this bracket back, or this clip back, and then we're gonna take off this guy right here, and then this guy right here. Could have pinch it, so we're gonna use this tray to capture everything. Then I got other stuff to capture it. So we're gonna take this part off right here. We gotta drain all the whatchamacallit, the fuel. All right, so took it out. Yeah, you have to remove that first in order for it to get maneuver that to get those out. There's all the fuel right there. Here's the thing right here, the carbonator, I believe this is. There will be most likely fuel in there, so just dump it. It's a little bit more. I already drained it already. Then we gotta remove these guys, these two screws right here. Oh, damn. Got everything wet. So there's a gasket right there. O-ring, I guess you could say. This is the part right here that most likely is the problem. And remember how this is put in. This part right here is facing towards this outer part right here. Remember this part. Just guess you could say the one with the gasket. And so what happens, and what happened with mine, is that these little holes right here get clogged up. And all I did was get a paper clip. a paper clip and I just clean it out. So did this one. And you can buy replacement of these also. I'd rather just clean this out. I think they say you could take this part off right here. It looks like it does come apart. Oh, look at this. Look at that. And I'm not sure if this opens up or not. This part right here. Not sure if this is clogged real good or it's supposed to be closed like that. But let's put this part back in. Remember, this part is going up with that part. Let's see if there's any clogs in there. Now here's some air coming out, so that must be a good sign. This is a important part right here. You gotta make sure this is nice and snug, and this ring doesn't like go up because it'll start to leak if you don't put this on correctly. These are plastic, so just make sure they're snug, don't over tighten. You see how it's nicely sealed. All right, everything else looks good. I'm gonna put this back now. All right, epic fail, guys. So that carburetor jet, I didn't clean out all the way, and I guess I couldn't. Either the paper clip was too thick, or it was just too rusted in there. But I ended up ordering a pack of 4, which the link is in the description off of Amazon, and I'm showing you right here how the old one looks and the new one looks, and you can see the hole in the newer one, how you can clearly see it. Right here, it's just black with the old one. This one, you see the hole clearly, and that's what you want to see. The fuel is not going through, and that's why it didn't start. And here we get it started on like the 4th pull.